This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. Former Chief Minister Uma Bharti made a strong statement on reservation at Bhopal's Jambori ground. She said reservation is very important for social equality in India and no one has the power to remove it. She added that real equality will come only when families of the President, Prime Minister and Chief Justice study together in government school. Her speech came during the bravery march of Raja Hirdisha Lodi. The statement has triggered fresh political debate, especially among OBC groups and social justice supporters across Madhya Pradesh. The cabinet led by Chief Minister Mohan Yadav has approved the continuation of development scheme worth Rs 53,000 crore till the year 2031. This decision aims to ensure long-term growth and stability in the state. The cabinet also approved withdrawal of the 2010 Organised Crime Control Bill. Officials discussed the e-auction of the leftover paddy from the 2020 Kharif season. A new post at the level of Principal Chief Conservator of Forest was also created. The government believes these steps will strengthen administration and improve development work across Madhya Pradesh. The Madhya Pradesh High Court has postponed the final hearing on the OBC reservation issue, giving a setback to those waiting for a decision. The court has now fixed May 13, 14 and 15 as the new dates for hearing. The delay happened because records related to Supreme Court petitions were not submitted on time. This issue is very important as it affects government jobs and elections in the state. Many groups are closely watching the case and the next hearing is expected to be very crucial for future policies. In a major wildlife achievement, Madhya Pradesh has welcomed wild buffaloes after nearly 150 years. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav released 4 buffaloes in the Subkhar range of Kanha National Park. He reached the site by helicopter and later by road before launching the program. This step is part of a special wildlife restoration project. Experts say this move will help improve biodiversity and restore the natural ecosystem of the region. It is being seen as a big step in wildlife conservation efforts in the state. The Bharatiya Janata Party will organize its state executive meeting in Orchha next month. State President Hemant Khandelwal announced this during a meeting in Bhopal. This will be the first major executive meeting after he became the state president. Leaders from across Madhya Pradesh are expected to attend. The meeting will focus on strengthening the party organization, planning future strategies and preparing for upcoming elections. Political experts believe this meeting could play an important role in shaping the party's direction in the state. BJP MLA Pritam Lodhi has demanded the Bharat Ratna for Uma Bharti and Kalyan Singh. He said both leaders made great sacrifices for important causes like the Ram Temple movement. According to him, such leaders should be honored with the country's highest civilian award. He also appealed to people to raise their voices in support of this demand. The statement has created fresh political discussion, with supporters backing the demand and others calling for a broader debate on the award criteria. In the high-profile Raja Raghuvanshi murder case, accused wife Sonam Raghuvanshi has been granted bail by a court in Shillong. She was lodged in a local jail there. The court granted bail after the 4th hearing in the case. This case has attracted attention due to its serious nature and shocking details. Legal experts say the trial will continue and more developments are expected in the coming days. The police investigation is still ongoing and officials are gathering further evidence related to the case. Madhya Pradesh is currently facing extreme weather conditions with both heat wave and sudden rainfall affecting different regions. Cities like Khajuraho recorded very high daytime temperatures while Satna remained unusually hot even at night. At the same time, rain and storms were reported in districts like Jabalpur, Sagar and Balaghat. The weather department says this mixed pattern may continue for the next few days. People are advised to stay careful, avoid heat exposure and remain alert for sudden storm and strong winds.